everyone, in today's tutorial we are diving into something super important: how to layer and align elements in Canva. These two skills are key to creating professional and eye-catching designs. So let's break it down in a simple and fun way. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or anything in between, understanding layering and alignment will help you create cleaner and more organized designs. Introduction to layering elements. Let's start with layering. Imagine your design as a stack of paper. You can put one sheet on top of another, and that's exactly what layering in Canva is. Each element, whether it is text, shapes, images, or stickers, act like a sheet of paper. The order in which these elements appear on Canva is called the layer order. How to layer elements in Canva. Select the elements you want to move. Right-click and select Layer. From here, you can choose Send to Back or Bring it to Front. This changes the layer of order of your element. Or you can go to the Position button in the top menu and under Arrange tab, choose Send to Back or Bring to Front. Here you will see another tab named Layer. Here you can drag layers to arrange in a sequence you want it in quite easy way. You can also adjust the transparency of your layers. Select an element, click on the Transparency button in the top menu, and slide it to make the element see-through. This creates a subtle layering effect or overlay effect where elements blend into each other. Introduction to aligning elements. Now let's talk about alignment. Alignment is all about making sure your design looks balanced and organized. Canva makes it super easy to align elements, so everything is positioned perfectly. How to align elements in Canva. When you move an element around your canvas, Canva automatically shows you grid lines. These lines help you align elements with each other. Pay attention to the pink lines that appear. They'll guide you in centering, aligning to the left or right, or distributing elements evenly. If you want more control, you can use the Position button to manually align elements. After selecting your elements, click on Position and under Arrange tab, choose options like Left, Right, Top, Middle, and Bottom to perfectly align your elements. Let's say you have 3 frames and you want them spaced out evenly across your design. Select all the 3 elements, click on Position, and choose Tidy Up. Canva will automatically distribute them evenly. If you've got multiple elements that you want to move together, then you can group them. Select all the elements you want, right-click and choose Group. Now you can align the entire group as if it's one element. Now let's combine both layering and aligning to create a polished design. Imagine you're designing a quote graphic for Instagram. Type your quote and align it to the center of the shape. Start by placing a background image and sending it to back. Add a semi-transparent shape layer on top of the image to make your text more readable. Add decorative elements like icons or stickers. And use the Position tool to layer and align them so they complement the text. You'll notice that by layering and aligning your elements properly, your design looks much more professional and visually appealing. And that's it. Layering and aligning elements in Canva may seem like small details, but they make a huge difference in how your design looks. Practice these skills, and soon you'll be creating beautifully organized and eye-catching designs in no time. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Happy designing!